Welcome back to the channel, chess lovers. Today we're diving deep into a shocking trap in the Alekhine Defense played in Berlin 1952. This miniature features Richter absolutely demolishing Jurgschat with surgical precision. Let's break it down, move by move. White opens with e4 and black replies with first move knight f6. This is the Alekhine Defense, a provocative opening where black invites white to push the e-pawn and overextend. Second move to white e5 attacks the knight immediately and black retreats to second move to knight d5. This is standard in the Alekhine. The knight steps back, waiting to strike at the overextended pawn center later. White builds a strong center with third move to white plays d4. Black hits back with third move d6, challenging the e5 pawn, trying to undermine the center. Now fourth move to white c4 chases the knight again. Black goes to fourth move knight b6, a common retreat, but black's pieces are starting to look a bit off balance. White develops naturally with fifth move white plays knight f3, supporting the center. Black brings out fifth move knight c6, adding pressure on d4 and eyeing the e5 square. Here's a sharp idea, sixth move white plays e6. White sacrifices a pawn to crack open lines and disturb black's pawn structure. Black replies with f takes e6. This is where the fireworks begin. Seventh move knight g5, white goes for the throat, eyeing f7. Black plays seventh move queen d7, defending f7 and preparing to connect the rooks. But it's already dangerous. Eighth move white plays bishop d3, developing with an eye on the kingside. Black plays eighth move e5, hoping to block the attack, but it weakens the dark squares. Ninth move white plays queen h5 check, classic queen check. Black is forced to play ninth move g6. Now comes the boom, 10th move white bishop takes g6 check, sacrificing the bishop to break open the kingside. Black takes back with 10th move h takes g6. Queen recaptures, 11th move queen takes g6 check, and black has to flee with 11th move king d8. Black's king is now totally exposed. Now comes a crushing blow, 12th move knight f7 check. This is a family fork. The knight checks the king and also attacks the queen on d7. Black tries to escape with 12th move black king e8. But it's over, 13th move white plays knight takes h8 check. White captures the rook on h8 with check. And here black resigned. Total domination. Conclusion. This game is a masterclass in tactical vision and coordination. Richter's e6 break, the knight sacrifice, and the brutal exploitation of dark squares show how dangerous it is to play carelessly in the Alekhine Defense. What do you think of this brilliant miniature? Let me know in the comments. And if you love opening traps and tactical chaos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. God bless you. Thank you so much.